Hello my dear madams, welcome to Vastranand. In today's episode, I will show you the plain fabrics, luxurious soft silk material with a dual Ikkat style designs with a meenakari elegance in a border part, the red contrast color combination, the pallu, as well as the totally different, very unique brocade blouse piece. So if you need to see the entire collection via video call facility, then video call facility also available. Please note down our customer care number 8154000063, Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. And if you need to see our virtual shop in online, then you can must be visit our website www.vastranand.in. You can download our application Android and iOS device. Let's start the video. This premium quality soft silk saree, I will guarantee no one can give this bottom rate. This saree you received at just rupees 1550, free shipping all over India. Here you can see the Rani pink color combination with a dark brown color combination, the dual Ikkat effect, dual Ikkat weaves in the border part with the same size border with a white color combination, very pretty the resin thread used. Let me show you the very pretty double Ikkat style views to rich pallu part. Here you can see the dual Ikkat style rich pallu parts with the green color combination highlighted part, green and pink color combination, chala super the color combination, and same dark wine color combination resin thread tassels part. Here you can see the back end side, no thread in back end side, premium quality luxurious material and affordable price point. Here you can see the entire body parts. You receive the plain bottle green color combination, dark bottle green color combination with the same size border in both sides of this saree. This is the perfect for the upcoming festival and easy to carry, easy to drape, and purely the skin friendly the material in affordable price. With this saree you received at just rupees 1450, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the very pretty the Rani pink color combination, the full brocade blouse piece. Look at the beauty of this full brocade rich blouse piece in golden zari waves. This saree you received at just rupees 1550, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the different color combination. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, and must be follow Instagram page Vastranand IND, and our customer care executive number is 8154000063. And we are providing total 6 multi-language support via customer care executive number Hindi, English, Gujarati, Telugu, Tamil, and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Let me show you the last but not the least, the very pretty the carbon black color combination. Same design, same material, different color combination only. So I will show you the quick look in this collection. Here you can see the black with a dark maroon color, maroon with a red color fusions in entirely border part as well as in pallu part. Here you can see the dark black color combination body with a dark maroon and red color fusions, the rich pallu parts with a silver resin thread defines in entirety weaving body and as well as in pallu part. This premium quality saree you received at just rupees 1550, free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. And this black color saree you received a dark maroon color combination, full brocade, very pretty luxurious blouse piece. Vastram Madi Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.